My name's Dr. Mike Holler, and I want to take a couple minutes to go over why it's so important to get checked after an auto accident. When you get in an auto accident, a lot of times what will happen is the spine will get knocked out of alignment. If that alignment is not corrected over time, in other words, if people don't get the proper care over time, these are the people that a year, 2, 3, 5 years from now, they have problems like neck pain and hack pain and wonder where it came from. The reason you got to get checked right away is because research shows about 80% of the healing takes place in the first 60 days. When we work with you, that requires repetition, because what we're trying to do, the bones don't pop in and out of place. What we're trying to do when we adjust you, there's actually a law of anatomy called Davis's Law, which says soft tissues will form based upon the stresses placed upon them over time, which means we got to repetitively get in there to try and get the spine back to normal, to where it was pre-injury status. Sometimes patients will come in here and we'll put them on a treatment plan, and for whatever reason they'll say, well, Dr. Holler, I want to get my settlement or whatever. They'll drop out of care, or they'll say, oh, I don't have the time to come in, and they'll drop out of care. Now, once you're here, usually you're only here from 15 to 30 minutes at a time. But when these things happen, these are the people that regret down the road, okay, why didn't I finish care? Again, 60% of the healing, 80% of the healing takes place in the first 60 days. So it's real important when you get hit in an auto accident. And by the way, 8 miles an hour or more can cause the bones of the spine to shift. And a lot of times people will say, well, Dr. Holland, I wasn't really hurt, because they went to the hospital and they said, okay, it's a muscle pull. Hospitals are looking for probably fractures or tumors or dislocations or things like that. So if you're having any issues, if you've had an accident recently, come in here, give us a call. I'm Dr. Mike Holler, Holler Chiropractic. Google us.